and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. I am breaking it into two videos. Part 1 is making the base of the cake and part 2 is icing and decorating the cake. So let's get started with part 1. What you will need: 350 grams of currants, 225 grams of raisins, 225 grams of sultanas, 100 grams of chopped glazed cherries, 50 grams of mixed peel, 1 zest of an orange and 1 zest of a lemon, 4 tablespoons of brandy, 225 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of mixed spice, 225 grams of butter, 225 grams of soft brown sugar, 4 eggs, 50 grams of chopped almonds and 1 tablespoon of treacle. First thing you're going to do is add in your dry ingredients and the zest of your orange and lemon. Now finely chop your cherries. Add your cherries to the bowl and mix well. Then add in your 4 tablespoons of brandy and mix the mixture again. Now you're going to cover your mixture and leave it overnight. Sift the flour into a bowl and then sift the spices into the same bowl and mix them together. In a separate bowl, beat the butter and sugar together until pale and smooth. Add the eggs gradually, beating well after each addition. If the mixture starts to curdle, add a spoonful of flour. Now add in the rest of the flour and spices and mix well. Add in your almonds and mix them in well. Add in your soaked fruit and mix well. Spoon the mixture into your cake tin and use the back of the spoon to level the top of it. Then cover with a double layer of grease-proof paper. This step is optional. This is to keep the cake moist. You do 1 tablespoon of brandy over the top and cover it with 2 layers of greaseproof paper and 1 layer of tin foil. Then you leave for 1 week, then add another 1 tablespoon of brandy to the base of the cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it and join me again next week for part 2.